So let's do some exercises here. Marcos delayed the payment of his motorcycle installment in the amount of 2,500 and he had to pay a 5% penalty. What is the amount to be paid for the installment? So 5% of 2,500, yeah? Simplify here. Then I have 25 goes 2, 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 125, right? So 2,500 plus 125. This will give me 2,625. Now, what is the square of 6 over 7? So it's 6 over 7 elevated to the second. 6 times 6, 36, 49. And here, what fraction that represents the cube of this number? So I have to take this number, elevate to the cube. So first I have to change to improper fraction. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So this number elevate to the cube. 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4, 64. And here 3 times 3, 9. Times 3, 27. Right? Here, any number elevate to the 0 is 1. Any number elevate to the 1 is the number itself. And here, 1 elevate to 5 is 1. 2 elevate to 5. 2 times 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Right? Now, I have to find the square root of this number. So it's the square root of the numerator over the square root of the denominator. The square root of 49 is 7. Of 121 is 11. Here, before I find the square root, I will change to an improper fraction. I multiply and then I add. So 6 times 4, 24, plus 1, 25 over 4. So 25 square root over 4. 5 over 2. 16 plus 5 is 25 over 16. And the square root of it is 5 over 4. Here, the square root of 1 is 1. The square root of 144 is 12. Right? Here, 3 over 4 elevate to the square is 9 over 16 times, right, the inversion of this fraction. So it's 8 over 3. I will simplify before. 2 and 1, 1, 2. 2 over 2 is 1. Here I'll do the same. I will have the square root of 5 times 25. So 25 goes 2, 10, 12, 100, and 25 plus 19. 144 over 25 times this number elevated to the square. So it's 8 plus 2 is 10 over 8 to the cube, to the square root, sorry. So this one, it will be 12 over 5 times 100 over 64. 1,200 over goes to 30, 32, right? 120 over 32. I can continue simplifying it by 2. By 4 is better, right? So by 4 is 30 over 8. I can simplify by 2 again, 15 over 4. Here, I'll do what is on between parentheses first. So the MMC here, I'll have 35. 7 times 4 is 28 minus 10. And then this fraction times these here. Between 4 and 8, the MMC is 8. So I'll do here 6 times 8 is 48, right? 48 by 4 is 12 times 2, 24, plus 12 by 8 by 6 is 8 times 5 is 40, and 48 by 8 is 6 times 1 is 6. Now 18 over 35 times, here we have 30, we have 70 over 48, right? Here we can simplify by 35, and here by 2, again by 3, so you'll have 6 over 8, and by 2 finally you have 3 over 4. And here the square root of 100 is 10, and of 144 is 12, divided by 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5 over 4 square. So 10 over 12 times 16 over 25. After I find the... yeah, so 10 times 16 is 160. 12 times 25. Let's do it here. 1, 5, 2. Then 10 goes 1, 300. Multiply by 10. 16 over 30, it's 8 over 15. And here, solve the situations below. Marcelo and Daniel painted part of the wall of their house. Marcelo painted 1 over 3 and Daniel 2 over 5. What fraction represents the part of the wall that was painted? So I will add 1 over 3 plus 2 over 5. This gives me 15, and 5 plus 6, 11 over 15. So this is the fraction that represents what we painted. Now I have 108 reais and my brother has 7 over 10 of what I have. If we join what we have, can we buy FIFA 21? Justify. So FIFA 21 is 369. So first of all, I have to find 7 over 10 of 180. I simplify here, I will have 7 times 18. 56 goes 5, so is 126. If I add what I have plus what my brother has, I will have 306 reais, but FIFA is 369. So it's not possible to buy. It still misses. I do the subtraction. I still need more 63 reais, right, to buy FIFA 21. Okay. Now, a container with 24 liters of wine was distributed in bottles, each one with a capacity in 3 over 4 liters. So 0.75 liters. If each bottle serves 6 glasses, how many glasses can be served? So I have to find 3 over 4 of
Teacher,
24.